So this is Alteryx day 92, and we are going to see the metadata and data dictionary tool and the component. So how we can use this tool and what is the basically use of this component, right? So there is a field info tool which is used to export the column names and type into the Excel based automated data dictionary. So before going into the topic, like if you're visiting to this channel first time, so please like, subscribe, comment, and share your feedback. That will improve me to bring some more content related to Alteryx and some new business intelligence or data solutions projects. And also, like if you're visiting to this channel first time, so please go and watch the previous videos and let me know if there is any specific topic you want to discuss related to Alteryx. So let's understand this, what exactly this metadata and data dictionary project summary is like. So this is the business context, like if you now you can see this screen and what we are doing. So as a data site, like whenever your data is keep on growing, you would like to have a kind of information about the data, like either a data dictionary or a metadata. It can be uh, everything related to the data. So to understand that the data and the data ambiguity, or you can say complexity, or the character limits, or if there is any constant to the technical constant in any of the field. So in those cases, we are using these components. Now, this is the objective to extract and export the technical schema like name, type, size, and source of the input data to transform technical metadata into business readable Excel document. And what we are using like project architecture, input layer, extraction layer, documentation layer, organization layer, and output layer. So we are using sample superstore, dataset, extraction, fielding, info tool, formula tool, sort tool, and the output layer. So saving the file into some Excel file. So superstore data dictionary. This is the analysis, the technical breakdown, and automation success, audit capability. So analysis, this is helping you to understand what exactly this tool or this entire project is helping in terms of the design or the workflow which we are creating, right? So this is giving the information about like technical breakdown. So field info output reveal that order ID is stored as a V string with the size of this, while order date is a standard date type with the size of 10. Automation success, it is giving you the information about your final output message confirms that 21 records were written directly to Excel, providing the metadata was successfully transformed. Now, what is the business outcome and income? So, impact of this if we are working on this kind of project or we are implementing this solution. So, basically, this is used for audit and compliance purpose. If you see, like it is reducing the support time, it is helping in terms of like building a governance, right? So, whatever the data projects we do work, like whether we build that solution in Power BI, we build that solution in Tableau or Alteryx, that data governance is very, very important part of it. Zero maintenance document. So you are not maintaining any kind of document. The Alteryx is helping you to build a kind of a data dictionary and something, a document in the Excel format, which is helping you to understand your data structure, your data, from where the data is coming, what all the fields are having, what are the input data size, what is the output data size, and everything is having. Tools we are using this. These are the tools which we are using: field info, formula, sort, output data. Where we can use this scenarios, like where we can use this project for any another scenarios like CRM migration, BI tool integration, project handover. So in these kind of scenarios, we can use this. Now let's jump into the workflow and see what exactly it is. So what I'm doing here, I'm bringing the sample superstore dataset, and this dataset we have been using in our project multiple times. In my previous videos also, you can see like I've used this data into multiple projects. So if you're visiting to this channel first time, so please go and watch those previous video, and you can come back and let me know if there is any queries or questions related to the dataset or anything. And then I'm using the field info tool. So this tool, you can search it here, you can find it. Then I'm using one formula tool like business description. What should be, there is no calculated column and all, just a simple text. And then I'm using the sort, using the name, and then I'm saving the file into this specific location. Now let's run the workflow and check it. So if you see already data is written all this file, so it is giving an error, but yes, I mean, this is what exactly this is doing. So we need to understand what exactly this tool is giving the information. So this is giving you how many columns are there, what is the type, what is the size, what is the source, and the business description like which I have added. Now name I have formatted the by name like uh, ascending order, and then I am writing the file to this location. Okay, so let's open that file. Oh, let me open and see what exactly this is the data which is written here, and let me close this. So let me copy this and check this file. So Alteryx, let me set up a connection then one more time. So sometimes there will be a disconnect. So we can just simply reconnect it. And so this is the record which is written. Okay, sample superstore data. And let's so copy this part, what like in here. Or let me go to the files. So let me show you like what exactly this is giving. So this is giving you the column, this is giving you the type, the data size, and what is the source from where it is coming. And this is the just the file name and all, the sheet one and everything this is giving. And this is the business description. So like you can put it anything like if you want it. But yes, this is kind of a metadata information about the data. Now, for example, if you are working with 1,000 files or like 100 of files, CSV file, and if you would like to create a flow which can help you to just give the data into this format, right? So in those cases, we can use this project, right? We can like create this solution and we can give it to somebody who is looking for that information, and they can just simply run the workflow and they will get the output into some PDF or whatever the required format they want. So they can get it and they can use that for the metadata information. So this is about the field information, like using the field information tool to export the column names and types into Excel-based automated data dictionary. So thank you very much for watching this video, and stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment, share your feedback, and let me know if there is any specific topic you want to discuss related to Alteryx for any data solution or business intelligence solution. Thank you again.